This content is strictly for educational purposes and not medical advice. Ever seen something in your ear that looks almost alive? It's not, just earwax catching light in a weird way. Our brains love patterns, so harmless buildup can look unsettling. Over time, it can get dry and noticeable. That's when gentle, visual cleaning tools can help you stay in control, safely and simply. Quick fact, earwax actually protects your ears. Just don't let it build up too much. So, what's the weirdest thing you've thought you saw in your ear? Have fun, and enjoy it.